Hello friends, welcome to my channel Aparna Arts. You are seeing how to paint a leaf with watercolors, and then you will be seeing a painting of a lady in a veil. These two paintings are done by my friends. I take order works and teach online courses for professional courses and offline too. My details are in this video and below this video in description. I teach freehand painting, oils, acrylic, tanjo, 3D murals, 3D flowers, oregata flowers, types of roses, chrysanthemums, birds, faces, and many more. I have freehand painting course book with notes and techniques of 65 pages in black and white. Those interested can buy. Do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel friends. I'll be coming up with more interesting videos on art and art techniques. Keep watching for more. See you. Bye bye.